hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Hello guys! To this video guys, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano magpatubo ng luyang dilaw, turmeric or yung ginger. Yan guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano strategy ko, kung paano siya magtutubo or yung paano mag-sprout yung luyang dilaw. So yan guys, yan ang aking pinatubo na luya at saka turmeric. As you can see, ayan na, lumalabas na yung kanyang sprout. Ready to plant na siya guys. Ayan, so ito guys ay 10 days na ibinabad ko sa water. So ang tawag dito guys na pamamaraan ng pagpapatubo ay water propagation. So ayan, kung gusto nyong gayahin guys, ayan lang siya guys. Oh, ayan, legit tumubo na yung ginger at saka yung ating turmeric. So ito guys, hudyat na para gagawa na tayo ng paso or magmimix na tayo ng soil na pagtataniman natin. So ang ganitong klaseng pananim guys, root crop, ay yung gusto niya ay yung mabuhaghag, kaya i-prepare natin yung ating mapagtataniman na maganda para mas maraming laman, so or ibibigay na bunga sa atin. So yan na lang guys ang strategy ko on how to propagate luyang dilaw or turmeric and ginger. Ayan, thank you for watching.